Hello everyone, this is Chastity Hulett and this is my audio recording for Module 4, and I'm going to use this time to introduce you to my family. First, this is my youngest daughter and I. This was on her kindergarten graduation, or pre-K graduation. She was not able to graduate because of COVID this year, so we were able to meet in the park one at a time and get awards. So this is a picture of she and I. Next is my middle child, which most people say he looks like me. He's 12 years old. This will be his first year in middle school. This is the child that drives me crazy the most. I don't want to say my last child. This is my oldest child, Hayden. He graduated high school this year. He'll be attending University of North Georgia in the fall. He also have got some bad news, I guess, for his graduation, but I think they are eventually going to do something. We just haven't found out yet. And last but definitely not least is my man child, also known as my husband. And all you women that have husbands probably understand what I say, man child. But this is the rock that holds me together. All of my family are the reason that I'm able to go to school and finish my career. I do not have a microphone, and I'm using the microphone on my computer, but I have enjoyed learning so much about different mics. I've been on Amazon already trying to find something that, a couple of them maybe, that I can use with my iPhone, as well as some that I can use that are wireless. Thanks for watching.